Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to understand how to notify team on Microsoft Teams for new Facebook leads. So I run a marketing agency and to promote my agency I am running some Facebook lead ads. So now here in this case I want that whenever I receive a new lead through my Facebook lead ad, then automatically my team should get notified about the lead received on our Microsoft Teams channel. So here to automate this entire process, I need to connect these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to understand how to notify team on Microsoft Teams for new Facebook leads. So as I've already mentioned in my introduction that I run a marketing team and we use Facebook lead ads to gather potential customers. So here on my screen, you can see my Facebook page which is named as Digital Dynamics. And here to promote my company, I'm running some Facebook lead ads. So it's crucial that my team is notified immediately whenever new leads come in so they can follow up quickly. So by automating notifications on Microsoft Teams, every time a new lead comes through, my team gets an instant lead alert. This keeps everyone informed in real time, allowing us to respond faster and improve our chances of converting leads into customers. It helps us to stay organized and ensures that no lead slips through the cracks. So here to automate this entire process, I need to connect my Facebook lead ads with my Microsoft Teams account, and here to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus, it keeps everything organized and error free so you can focus on growing your business hassle free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as notify team on Microsoft Teams for new Facebook leads. And here I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more link given over here. And by clicking on it, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here in my trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger application as Facebook lead ads, because here I'm receiving new leads through Facebook lead ads. So Facebook lead ads are a type of advertising format on Facebook that helps businesses collect contact information from people interested in their products or services. They are used to generate leads directly on Facebook without requiring users to leave the platform to fill out a form on a website. When someone clicks on a lead ad, they see a form pre-filled with their Facebook information, making it quick and easy for them to submit their details such as name, email address, and phone number. Businesses use Facebook lead ads to build their customers base by capturing leads effectively, which they can then follow up with through email marketing, sales calls, or other communications to convert them into customers. It's a convenient way for businesses to reach potential customers and grow their sales directly on Facebook. So now here in my Facebook lead ads trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead instant, so that whenever we are going to receive receive new lead through a Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Or you can say that whenever we're going to receive new lead through a Facebook lead ad, then automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. And now here to connect my Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Facebook lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And then here I'm going to click on this continue. And authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select my page and the lead gen form. So here for the page, I've already shown you that I have my Facebook page with the name Digital Dynamics, and I'm running my new Facebook lead ads over here. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here for the page, I'm going to select my page which is named as Digital Dynamics. So this is my Facebook page. And then here after selecting my page, it is asking me to select the lead gen form. So here to get this lead gen form, let me take you to my Meta Business Suite. So here in my Meta Business Suite under lead ads form, you can see all the form which I have created for my use till now. So here in this case, I'm going to use my form which is named as inquiry form. And you can create your own lead ad form as per your need. So now moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here for the lead gen form, I'm going to select my form as inquiry form. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. And now here after selecting my page and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And now here after clicking on the save and send test request, here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our Facebook lead ad. So here to generate the test lead, let me take you to my Meta for Developers. So this is the homepage of Meta for Developers, and from here I'm going to click on this My Apps given on the top right corner. And here under My Apps, I'm going to select the options of tools over here. And here under developer tools, I'm going to select a tool that is named as Lead Ads R2 Debug Tool. And now here under this lead ads testing tool, you can see it is asking me to select the page and the form again. So here for my page, I'm going to select my page which is named as Digital Dynamics. And here for my form, I'm going to select my form as inquiry form. And now here to generate a test lead, I'm going to click on this preview form given over here. And now here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as test, last name as user, email as test@pabblytudes.com. And here for the phone number, I'm going to enter a random phone number. And then I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received response over here where we have received the first name of our lead, last name, email, phone number and some other details. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So now once we have received the new lead through our Facebook lead ad, I want to notify about the lead received to my team on my Microsoft Teams channel. So for that, here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as Microsoft Teams. So Microsoft Teams is a communication and collaboration platform where people can chat, video call and work together on projects all in one place. People use Teams because it makes it easy to stay connected with co-workers, share files and collaborate in real time, whether in the office or working remotely. It integrates with other Microsoft tools like Word, Excel and Outlook, making teamwork seamless and organized. Teams is great for businesses and schools to keep everyone on the same page and working efficiently. So here in my Microsoft Teams action step, I'm going to select my action event as send a message in a channel, so that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through my Facebook lead ad, then automatically a new lead alert message is going to send to my team on my Microsoft Teams channel. And now here to connect my Microsoft Teams with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Microsoft Teams account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Microsoft Teams. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And then here Pabbly Connect is requesting for the access. So here I'm going to give access by clicking on this accept button given over here, as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the team, channel and enter the message over here. So here to get this team and the channel, let me take you to my Microsoft Teams account. So here in my Microsoft Teams account, here you can see my team which I have created with the name Pabbly Connect, and here you can see the channel where I am receiving the new lead alerts with the name New Facebook Leads. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here for my team, I am going to select my team as Pabbly Connect and the channel as New Facebook Leads. And now here, after selecting my team and the channel, here it is asking me to enter the message. So here in this message field, I need to enter the message which I want to send as a notification alert on every new Facebook lead received. So here I'm going to enter the message as New Facebook Lead Alert. Hello team, we have just received a new lead from our latest Facebook lead ad. Here are the details: first name, last name, email, phone number. Please review the lead information and reach out promptly to follow up. Let's ensure we make the most of this opportunity. Thank you. Regards. So here you can see I have used a variable in the place of this first name, last name, email and phone number, because here I'm going to enter the details of these fields over here. So here, instead of entering the details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new lead through a Facebook lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to map my lead's first name. So this is my lead's first name. Here I'm going to map my lead's last name. So this is my lead's last name, and here I'm going to map my lead's email. So this is my lead's email, and lastly here I'm going to map my lead's phone number. So this is my lead's phone number. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received the successful response. That means we have successfully sent a notification alert on our Microsoft Teams channel. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see the message that we have received, which says New Facebook Lead Alert. Hello team, we have just received a new lead from our latest Facebook lead ad. Here are the details: first name as test, last name as user, email as test@pabblytunes.com, and a random phone number. Please review the lead information and reach out promptly to follow up. Let's ensure we make the most of this opportunity. Thank you. Regards. So this is the message which we have received, and with this we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation with a real-time example to check whether it is working or not. So to test our automation, what we are going to do is that we are going to generate a new test lead in our Facebook lead ad. And for that, let me take you back to my lead ads testing tool. So here in my lead ads testing tool, I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one, because it says you can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So here, to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead button given over here. And after clicking on this delete lead, I'm going to refresh my window, and that's a necessary step. And now here again it is asking me to select my page on the form. So here I'm going to select my page which is named as Digital Dynamics, and my form that is inquiry form. And now here again, to generate the test lead, I'm going to click on this preview form given over here. And again here I'm going to enter dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as dummy, last name as lead, email as dummy@pabblytunes.com, and I'm going to enter a random phone number, and then I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go and check our Microsoft Teams channel. And here you can see we have successfully received a response over here where we have received the lead details as dummy, last name as lead. Here you can see the email as dummy@pabblytunes.com and a random phone number. So with this, we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Facebook lead ads and our action as Microsoft Teams, so that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly our team is going to get notified about the lead received on our Microsoft Teams channel. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.